Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm Aisha, and today we're diving into the vibrant celebrations of Eid al-Fitr in Canada for the year 2024. The vibrancy of Eid al-Fitr celebrations in Canada for the year 2024 reflects the unity and diversity of this great nation. As we explored the traditions, the unity, and the festive spirit that lights up communities from coast to coast, we've seen how this joyous occasion brings people together. The sighting of the crescent moon marks the end of Ramadan and the beginning of Eid al-Fitr, a time when thousands gather in mosques, community centers, and parks across the country, uniting in a moment of faith, gratitude, and solidarity. The celebrations continue with families and friends visiting each other to share in a feast of sumptuous dishes, sweets, and delicacies. A community member we spoke to encapsulated the essence of Eid as a beautiful time of reflection and happiness, a time for coming together, sharing what we have, and remembering to give back to those in need. This spirit of community and compassion is further embodied in the practice of Zakat al-Fitr, a form of charity that ensures everyone can join in the celebration. Eid festivals across Canadian cities bring a burst of culture, music, and color to life. Fairs, bazaars, and activities for all ages reflect Canada's rich, multicultural tapestry. Eid is also a time for gratitude, forgiveness, and introspection, a continuation of personal growth experienced during Ramadan. Eid al-Fitr in Canada is a testament to the country's diversity and the strong bonds of community. It's a time of joy, generosity, and unity. Whether one is participating in the prayers, enjoying the feasts, or simply learning about this beautiful festival. As we conclude our journey, we invite you to like, share, and subscribe for more cultural explorations. From our family to yours, Eid Mubarak. May your days be filled with peace, love, and happiness. See you in the next video.